We use a lot of digitalization exactly in the way that it helps us on the shop floor. No matter if it's artificial intelligence, if it's digital twin, if it's IT/OT convergence in terms of connectivity. And I think this makes us a truly digital enterprise.
What's the role of people in the digital enterprise?
Well, actually it's the key role, because the people make this change happen. They drive digitalization, they drive the change in our processes, and they have the genius ideas how to apply digitalization exactly in the way that we can profit from it in the factory. There was a decision of our management to invest in this location. So we will produce our new generation of products. We will produce here in this facility, so we will also extend this site. And even our new buildings and all the fit out and all the new production lines and logistic areas, we will also simulate up front to make sure that we bring them into operation, they work perfectly.
So, literally building the sustainable digital enterprise.
Right.